Want to know how to sell Housecall Pro? In this quick guide, I'll show you how this game-changing software works and why it's the perfect solution for field service businesses like yours. By the end, you'll know exactly why Housecall Pro is so valuable and how you can use it to increase your sales and efficiency. Plus, if you stick around till the end, I'll share an exclusive bonus for you to access the software for free, no strings attached. Now, let's dive in. Housecall Pro is a powerful all-in-one software designed to streamline your operations and help you run your field service business more efficiently. From managing customer bookings to invoicing and payments, it simplifies everything you need for day-to-day operations. But here's the key. Selling it is all about demonstrating how it solves real problems. One of the biggest challenges field service businesses face is managing appointments and customer communication. Housecall Pro takes care of all that with automatic scheduling and reminders. No more double bookings or missed appointments. Your team will have real-time updates, so there's no confusion about who's going where and when. Selling this feature alone can convince anyone that they need this in their business. Another huge selling point is the ability to accept payments directly through the software. You can charge customers immediately after a job is completed, which reduces payment delays. Plus, the software integrates with popular payment platforms like Square and Stripe, making it super easy to process payments on-site right from your phone. For business owners, this means less chasing clients for overdue payments. You're getting paid faster and more reliably. The next big feature is the mobile app. Housecall Pro has a robust app that works seamlessly on iOS and Android devices, giving your team full access to all job details on the go. You can track jobs, communicate with clients, and update invoices all in real time. If you're selling to businesses with teams in the field, this is a game changer. But here's where Housecall Pro really stands out. Its client management system. It keeps track of all your customer details, past jobs, and payment history in one place. You can even set up automated follow-ups, making it easy to build long-term customer relationships. You'll be able to show your potential clients how they can use this system to boost repeat business and increase their revenue. Housecall Pro also makes it easy to scale. As your business grows, you don't need to worry about getting stuck with clunky, outdated software. It's designed to grow with you. From small businesses with one employee to larger companies with teams across multiple locations, Housecall Pro can handle it all. But how do you sell Housecall Pro effectively? First, focus on the pain points. Most businesses struggle with organization, tracking payments, and communication. Show how Housecall Pro solves these issues in a way that's simple and intuitive. Then, offer them a risk-free way to try it out. That's where the exclusive offer comes in. By using the link below, you'll get access to Housecall Pro for free with a bonus extended trial that's not available anywhere else. This gives you a full, no-commitment opportunity to see how the software works and how it can transform your business. So, what are you waiting for? Take action today and see how Housecall Pro can make running your field service business easier and more profitable. With tools that save time, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction, this software is a must-have for any service-based business. Check the first link in the description to claim your free trial and get started right away. Don't miss out. This exclusive offer is waiting for you.